Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
It's finally here, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra. Not even globally launched yet, and it's already shaking up the flagship game. And yeah, the claims are bold. A massive 10x external telephoto lens, 230mm native. That's wild. First look? Clean, minimal, almost like a Hasselblad camera vibe. But wait, I almost missed the design details. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. Look closer. The Oppo and Hasselblad logos, same style, same weight. The shutter button, super familiar. Even the color, minimal, refined, kind of like that Earth exploration tone. And that subtle line across the body feels like a built-in grip. It hits emotionally. Be honest, out of 5. Quick game, spot the super telephoto. 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's number 1, and yeah, that's the star. A 10x 50-megapixel lens. Crazy. They compressed half its volume into this slim body, perfectly curved with the phone. The engineering here must have been intense. Now the real question, does it deliver? Yes. Far subjects, no problem. A truck down below, zoom, done. A mountain miles away, pulled right in. Sometimes it sees clearer than your own eyes. How clear? Let me show you. I zoomed into a message on a Xiaomi dishwasher. A few smudges, sure, but everything else? Sharp. Older zoom setups now feel ancient. Noise used to ruin shots. Not anymore. And bonus, built-in 10x means no security hassles at concerts. Last Friday, I took it to a concert in Taiwan. Rainy night, amazing vibe. Hit up to 690mm, no teleconverter, just standard. Even video stays smooth. Dramatic zooms, solid stabilization. I even tracked a moving car below. No issues. Switching to 10x feels like locking onto a target in a Spets operation movie. Recently, I saw people at Happy Farm shooting birds with huge lenses. Oppo even made an extra long external lens, longer than the phone, probably because the 3x sensor is huge already. Tried it? Impressive. Strong background blur, even caught a bird grabbing a fish mid-air. But it's not just the 10x. The whole system is stacked. Main and 3x both use 200-megapixel sensors. Main gets 10% more light, 3x gets 36%, ultra-wide jumps 56%. The 3x especially, with that aperture, gives beautiful bokeh. Half-body, full-body portraits, everything pops. And here's the kicker. 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x, 10x all can shoot 50 megapixels. Every lens feels upgraded. This might be the only Ultra this year with 0 weak spots. At this point, if your shots aren't good, it's probably not the phone. So here we are. 3x optical, 6x equivalent, full 10x zoom. What do you think? Feels like they took their strengths and pushed them even further. For example, the motion photo mode just works. Full 25 megapixels, HDR, no compromise. And it's getting better. You can now turn shots into slow motion right from the gallery. That's why I keep using live photo more. Without it, I would have missed the exact moment Abby the flying pig got launched into the air. Here's something cool. Take one shot of the scene, one of your subject, add a few notes, and you get this framed motion-style image. And if you're filming, just tap the shutter. Boom. Instant live photo. Simple idea, but super effective. Now the interface, completely redesigned. This new liquid-style look feels clean and smooth. Even sports mode is gone. Why? They say auto motion capture is now good enough to handle it all. So I tested it. got local athletes involved, then pushed it further. I even captured a high-speed train already moving fast using 10x zoom. Risky, but it worked. Master mode? Leveled up. It started with that Hasselblad color science, but now it's more than that. Better tuning, richer control. It actually reminds me of Fujifilm-style filters. This time, Oppo added 3 film-style systems, and the results? Seriously good. Even a map looks great. Flowers feel atmospheric. Switch to black and white with a 200mm zoom, it's pure documentary vibes. And those numbers below? They're real filter parameters. Add the AI button and suddenly you're creating something uniquely yours. Video builds on what already worked. There's even Hasselblad video. Fun fact, they don't make video cameras. But here, turn on Pro mode, disable log, and you get that signature color. It's certified too. I shot from the helicopter in the US with the X9 Pro. The footage looked incredibly natural. Log is better now. Apply a LUT while recording or later in the gallery. You can even bake it in for a ready final look. And here's the twist. Find a LUT you like, save it, and reuse it as your own filter. I even tried using GPT to match colors from a photo. The result? Surprisingly great. The time? About 40 minutes. Yeah, it really took its job seriously. Even without a major Color OS update, there's a lot new. The liquid glass design is everywhere now. On the lock screen, notifications show as small capsules, like WeChat or timers. Swipe sideways to switch, up to expand, tap for details. It's smooth and intuitive. But the biggest upgrade? Translation. I snapped a menu and it turned into something like a real ordering interface. That's huge. Talking to waiters became easy. There's large model translation too, way more accurate. I tested it with Doubao. Normal mode made mistakes. AI mode? Perfect. Even real-time voice translation worked flawlessly. So yeah, that's the device. It's clearly becoming a real photographer's tool. And honestly, if you like Hasselblad gear, this will feel right at home. As for price, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra starts at 7,499 yuan in China, around 814 pounds or $1,100. That's it for this one. If it helped, like, comment, subscribe, it really supports the channel. I'm Keely, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!